Hello, dear students. I know you're all curiously waiting for today's class as we are starting with novel reading from today. So, which book are we reading? Say loudly. Yes, Nate the Great. So, if you have not already brought, get the journal, get the novel, and a pencil. Pause the video, get them. Well, before we do read along, let me narrate the story to you so that you can only listen and enjoy. After that, we will do read along. Listen carefully now. My name is Nate the Great. What is the boy's name? Nate. I am a detective. He is a detective. So, what does a detective do? A detective finds out the things which are lost. I work alone. So, Nate does not have any team members. He works alone. Let me tell you about my last case. He wants to share with us what is it that he has found recently. He is a detective, right? His job is to find out the things. So he wants to tell us what is it that he has found recently. I had just eaten breakfast. So he was telling one day he just had finished eating his breakfast and it was a good breakfast. What kind of a breakfast was it? It was a good breakfast. So this is page number 7 that we have read just now. Every day we are going to read 1 or 2 pages slowly, and as you keep reading we can increase the number of pages, right? Now are you ready for read along? Let me show you the same page on the screen so that you can also read along with me. I hope you can see the page on the screen. I will read this text now loudly, and do you see a pointer here? So I will keep moving this pointer below each word like this when I read that particular word. Like this. My name is Nate the Great. Like this. So what you have to do is you have to observe carefully where I am reading, which word I am reading, and you have to listen carefully how am I pronouncing that word. And then you also will read that word. So this is how we do read along, right? Also observe where I am taking pauses, where I am stopping for a while. Observe all these things, okay? Start. My name is Nate the Great. I am a detective. I work alone. Let me tell you about my last case. I had just eaten breakfast. It was a good breakfast. Right? Pat your backs. You are going to practice this reading even in the home task. So how will you do is, now how you can see this pointer in a closer look. Similarly, we have made a video which will be shared with you, right? Now when you read at home, open that file, play it, listen to the pronunciation, and then you can read along with it. I hope you have understood this, right? Now tell me, have you found any new words in this page when you read? There are a few new words, right? So what we do from today, whenever we read a page, whenever we read the book, we will note down a few new words, not all of them, a few new words, and we will practice them, and then we will also note down them in the journal. Let us see what are those words that we are going to learn today. See, what is the heading here? Vocabulary. Vocabulary is nothing but the list of words that you know. So as you keep learning more and more words, it means you are going to build up your vocabulary. Okay, so let us look at these words for today. Read. Name, good, work, just, tell. Read again. Name, good, work, just, tell. So these are the words. We are also going to write them in the journal. So how will you write? As I said, almost every day we are going to write down a few new words, right? So we are not going to write them along with the sentences from the first side. We are going to divide the book into 2 parts like this from the middle. You can take the help from your parents for partitioning. So after you partition the book, keep this second part only for vocabulary. Keep that second part only for vocabulary. So whenever we want to note down any new words, whenever we want to read vocabulary, we can directly go to that page and we can find all the words in one place. Right? I hope you have understood. Now tell me, what are these? I know. You know them very well. What are all these? A, B, C, D. Uppercase or lowercase? Yes, they are letters. What are they? They are letters. And what are all these? Hat, pin, car, bus. You remember in PP2 you already learnt family words? Yes, these are all called words. If you see each word, in each word there are a few letters. Right? These are words. Now what are all these? Rohan is my friend. It is his toy. She will come now. So if you look at these are called sentences. These are called sentences. See, look at this sentence. In this sentence, there are a few words. There are a few words. In a word, we can see a few letters, and in a sentence, we will see a few words. Now, let us go back to our page number 7 and find, are there any sentences there also? See, try to read it. My name is Nate the Great. If you look at this one, there are a few words written, right? In a meaningful way, in a form. So this is a sentence. I am a detective. A sentence. I work alone. This is a short sentence. See, some sentences are long, some are short. But a sentence means it will have a few words written together in a form. Now I want all of you to observe the first letter of each sentence. Now observe the first letter of each sentence. See, all these letters are first letters, right? How are they? Yes, they are all in uppercase. Which case? Uppercase. So a sentence is always beginning with an uppercase letter. Now observe how the sentences are ending. See, what is it that here? What is the small dot after each sentence? Do you see? About this we will look later. But look at the other sentences. Most of the sentences, they are ending with a dot. This dot is called full stop. What is it called? Full stop. Say full stop. So, I think these two are the rules that we should remember when we write sentences. What are those two rules? These rules are also called punctuation marks. So what are the punctuation marks that we learnt today? Number 1, a sentence should always begin with an uppercase letter. And number 2, a sentence should end with a full stop. Right? Now let us have a look at few sentences and see whether they are written properly or not. See this? I have a pet dog. Look at the first letter. How should be the first letter when you write a sentence? It should be in uppercase, but here it is in lowercase. But it is ending with a full stop. That is okay, but it should also start with an uppercase letter, right? So it is not written properly with punctuation. Let us look at other sentence. They are coming. They are coming. How is this sentence? First letter is uppercase. That is good. What about the ending? Nothing in the ending. So how should a sentence end with? It should end with a full stop. So this is also not written properly with punctuation. Let us see this one. She likes to play. What is the first letter here? Yes, uppercase. How is it ending? Full stop. So this sentence is written properly with punctuation. Now that we know how to write a sentence using these two rules, let us write two sentences in the journal also using proper punctuation. Before we write, let us read them. Read these two sentences. I have two books. I have two books. She is my friend. Read again. She is my friend. So, what is your class task for today? Open your journal, go to the next empty page, write date, and then write class task as we are doing it in the class, and write this instruction. I am learning to write sentences with punctuation. Do not worry if you are not able to read. Slowly, as we practice every day, you will be able to read. You don't need to learn the spellings of all these words, okay? Just try to identify and read. That should be fine. I am learning to write sentences with punctuation. So those two sentences you are going to write here. I have two books. She is my friend. Are we done with the class task? There is one more thing. We have to note down vocabulary, right? But where will you write these words? Vocabulary, you will always write in the vocabulary partition, in the second part of the journal. Do not forget that, okay? And these words, as we read in the class, you can note them down. And when you write a word, write numbers also in the margin in sequence. Happy learning. That's it for today. See you in the next class.